Welcome back to another Nintendo Controller Switch tutorial. Wow, that's a mouthful. I'm going to show you in today's video how to hook up this controller to this docking station. There seems to be a lot of issues out there. People don't know how to do it, or they just want the video. So I found this at actually Walmart, and you can buy this for $20. And this will be down in my description if you want to pick this up, if you want to get it online, or just go over to Walmart. All right, so we're going to show a quick preview. I just got this the other day, and yeah. All right, so it's white with a fireball, and it's got an awesome case here with it. This was actually $20 for just the controller. All right, so let's open them up here. All right, so if you're liking this kind of content, be sure to go down and like and subscribe, share this out, do all that good stuff. It sure does help out the channel a lot. And let's open this sucker up. So this is very cool. In the actual casing of the where you put your Nintendo Switch, it's actually whoa! Look at this. This is crazy. This is awesome. It says that you can actually fit 10 games. All right, so perfect. So we're gonna show the casing here first. I might give this away. I already have a casing, depending if it actually fits. I got like a casing deal on the outside of my Switch, and it barely fits my old casing, but I'll have to try this one. All right, so let's open it up here quickly. We're going to hook up it's very easy to actually hook up a corded controller to your Nintendo Switch. All right, so, oh, look at the detail here. All right, so that's gone, bye-bye. All right, so it looks like you got the games there. And it looks like, they put some artwork in there. That is really cool. Let's get him up here. I do like that. All right, so I'm not sure if I'm going to give that away yet. Maybe I'll do it maybe in a live stream. All right, so let's get this control out of here. Let's get this cord. And I'm noticing, this is very cool, that they give you tons and tons of cord. I like it when they give you a lot of cord. There is nothing more frustrating. Than actually having, buying a new controller, and the cord isn't long enough. I mean, you can't even sit, they give you one, 3 feet? Maybe even 2 feet? I don't know. All right, so I'm really liking this controller, and they got the mapping. They do have the mapping buttons on the back, so if you have, a shooter game, a Call of Duty game, you can map them and put them. I have an old video of hooking up actually a controller already, but that one was kind of sloppy, and I was like, I like this control. I should put a video out on this. All right, so let's show the detail artwork on the controller. It looks like one of the old ones that I actually have. So all you have to do is, all right, so you take your Nintendo Switch and you just plug it in. That's all you do, and it's so. Here is one pointer. I wanna put this out there. Here's one thing that you have to. So when you go to plug this into your controller part, there is a little notch. Yeah, there's actually a little notch. I was thinking it was gonna be like my old ones. All right, let's try to get that notching in there so you can see it. It's only gonna go in your Nintendo. Just turn it a little bit. You can barely see it there, just a little bit. I believe that's on the upside. Nope, it's the notch is actually on the bottom side. So let's stick it in and see how it. So it's a nice snug fit. It's not loose, and that's it. That's how you do it. One more show of this. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys actually have this controller. Like I said, they're $20 at Walmart. $30 for the casing. $20 for this, and there's a Zelda one, and there's a bunch of other ones, and that's pretty much it. So I also have live streams on Wednesdays. We do Super Mario Maker 2, Mario related stuff, and we like our tutorials. So that's going to be today's video. So with that being said, YouTubers, we got to get on got to flying out of here. This is Rocket blasting off. You guys have a yippee yahoo Nintendo Switch day. Woo! Like and subscribe.